Hello and welcome to my channel. This is an Asani Beauty production. Today's video is going to be a review and tutorial over two black-owned beauty companies in honor of Black History Month. We'll be looking at the NUBIAN 2 by JUVIA'S, and we'll also be looking at Fenty Beauty. Let's go ahead and get started with the look, you guys. Alright, so on the eyes, I'm going to start with that color Morocco out of JUVIA'S NUBIAN 2 palette. And I'm going to let you guys watch me put the look together. I'm just going to talk about the brand. If you look below in the left, I'm calling out the shades that I'm using. So you'll be able to put this look together yourself. But while I'm putting the look together, I just want to say a few things that I like about the brand. Definitely for sure the quality and color payout of the pigmentation of the eyeshadows. Definitely a win-win. You are getting more than enough for the price, if you ask me. And that segues into my next point. The shadows are very affordable. You're getting 16 plus shades in some of her palettes, and you're paying under $30. So you're definitely getting a great product, and you're not breaking the bank for it. So definitely really happy with her. Another great thing about these eyeshadows from JUVIA'Splace is that such a wide range of shadow colors. She has a bunch of different palettes out, but the colors show up on any skin tone. I consider myself to be a chocolate girl, and you can see right there that the shadows are showing up on me. And the great thing about them is you don't have to put a bunch of layers down to get the gradient effect that you like with this shadow. Like as soon as you put one coat down, you see that that stuff is on there. Sometimes I feel like I overdo it because the shadows are so pigmented, but like I said, for the price, you're really getting it. So I'll let you watch me put that together. Alright guys, and now that we have that eye look together, we're going to go in with the foundation. And I'm using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Matte Longwear Foundation. I was able to get my hands on it, and in my honest opinion, it's a great product maybe to someone other than me. And I'll say that because I have normal to / dry skin. And I feel like this product is for a person with oily or combination skin. So in my assessment of it, as a person that has dry skin, it's not for me. But I will say it does do what she says. It does dry matte, and it does kind of cover up your spots. Another thing about it that I'll say did not make it for me was it has a fragrance to it. And me, I personally don't want fragrance in anything that is going on my face. It was like a perfumey. It wasn't like a natural scent. It was a perfumey scent. So I don't know if you guys noticed it, but that was something that I could have done without. I use Sephora Color IQ, and per Color IQ, Fenty doesn't have my shade, and I want to agree. But as far as price, it's pretty reasonably priced. Does it go on matte? Does it stay? Yes, of course. Does she have everybody's shade? No. Um, um, but I'm not gonna give her a thumbs down because, like I said, it's not for me. I feel like when it comes to foundation, number one, you should match your skin tone, and two, your skin type. But if you like it, hey, go ahead. I did read some good reviews, but that was my review and tutorial using those two black-owned beauty companies. I hope you like it. Definitely hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.